Hello, welcome to Coded Fast. Today we are doing a tutorial about enemy following our player. So I've got here my player with JetBody2D and a movement script. I did a video about movement. I will put a link into the description if someone wants to see it. And I have here my enemy without any script. So I can move my player and I want to enemy follow me. So let's create our enemy movement script. And make our variable of speed like with it in normal movement, and also fixed update. And now it will get kinda different from the usual movement, because we want to go from a point to a point. So we need our velocity and set it to we need to find somehow our player position, and I will do that by searching for the object with movement script. I can do that because there is only one object that has movement script. If there was a more, we couldn't do that, and we want to subtract from it our transform that position, and it has to be normalized. And we can multiply by speed, and I think we are good. I will show you this very short little script, and let's see if it works. But first I need to drag the script on my enemy and set the speed. So on my player the speed is 3, and on my enemy the speed is 3. So let's see if it can catch us. So yeah, it fast, but he cannot catch us because we are using logic. So I'm moving in a circles, but if I stopped, it gets here. And if I set the enemy position to like 10, so I think that's it. Bye.